I'm going to teach you how to go into the secret menu of the Diagnostic menu in your BMW. Press the start button 3 times really quickly. That gets you into the accessory, and you're going to see a Diagnostic logo appear. Once it's appeared, hold your BC button for 30 to 40 seconds.
A few moments later.
We have our Diagnostic mode. This allows us to check the VIN number of the system, perform a system test, classic dynos, showroom mode, not sure what, and in BC range, not sure what that part is, service the brake system, and tests. And you could go into another secret menu using the last 5 digits of your VIN number, which in this case I know is 27. We get hold again. You're using the BC button for everything, and then once you enter the code, you'll be able to see more functions, but not too much. Hold it. Once you get to it, it'll disappear and it'll present you a new window with more options. Now we can look at tank temperature and BC-0. Let's go to temperature. And we can see all the temperatures and sensors. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more content like this.